So, welcome to the day 3 of Healing Bootcamp. Those who could not join yesterday, we will be doing a little revision for that, and we will be learning the third modality of healing, that is the gratitude practice, that we are going to learn more about it. So, let's just type in the chat box that where are you joining in from today. Pallavi is from Delhi. I would love to know that where are you joining in from today, so we can connect more and understand each other more, so I can help you more in your life. Yes, thank you so much, Sejal, and thank you so much, Pallavi ji, for saying that you're from Delhi. So let us understand and come back to the first point, that why this healing is necessary in our life. So on day 1, we have discussed about healing, even we have discussed on the day 2. So I would just love to do a revision if everybody remembers that why we are doing this healing sessions. If anybody remembers, they can type in the chat box. Otherwise, I am just going to tell you more about it. Yes. So first of all, what is the reason why do we need these healing sessions? So understand this thing, that there is a normal body setup of our body, mind and soul. When this setup disturbs, then we need this healing. It can be disturbed from old past traumas. It can be disturbed by the thought that are running every day in our mind. So what exactly is happening with us? We are continuously thinking about many things in a day. Around 45,000 new thoughts are coming to our mind every day. And out of which 90% thoughts are just the repeated thoughts and the negative thoughts. So if we continuously keep on thinking about the old thoughts, we will not be able to create our new reality. So under the process of law of attraction, also this healing works like wonders. That is the reason I have so much trust on healing sessions, that these sessions can really help you manifest whatever you're trying to manifest in your life. With the healing, what we are doing, we are trying to reset our body. For example, there is a phone and there is a default setting, that is the restore factory setting. We are trying to restore those factory settings in our body. We are trying to restore the normal setup in our body, which has been disturbed due to all these problems that are running in our life. So that is the reason we are using this healing modalities to release those stuck energies in our body, mind, and soul. So that is the importance of healing, which I really wanted to discuss with you. The second point, which I want you to understand this, that why we have understood that why healing is necessary. So now I want you to understand that with, like, what are the things for which you can do the healing. We can do the healing for situations, we can do the healing for people, we can do the healing for ourselves, we can also do the healing for others. So this is a process that we are not only doing the healing, we are also learning the modalities. So let us understand, on day 1 we have discussed about the modality that was emotional freedom technique, that was EFT, wherein there are 14 meridian points on our body through which there are a flow of energy going on in our body. So right now we have discussed about those 14 meridian points on day 1. And when we do the tapping of these points, we release a lot of negative energies which is stuck on our body. So these 14 points, let me just repeat it for you. The first point is your karate chop point, from wherein we start doing the tapping. Then the second point was your crown or head point. The third point was your eyebrow point. The fourth point was your point near your eyes or the temples, you can say. The fifth point is the point under the cheeks. The sixth point was under the nose. The seventh point was under your mouth. The eighth point was your collarbone. The ninth point was under the arms, first arm and the second arm. And we keep on tapping, and the next point was your thumb. After that, the point was your fingers. We keep on tapping and we keep on repeating some sentences which I have told you on day one. So I'm just making you understand that these are the points where a lot of energy is being stored and we release that energy by just tapping on these points. And we don't tap on the ring finger, we just leave that finger on the last finger, and then the last point is your karate chop point of the other hand. So these are the 14 meridian points. When we tap on these points, we release those stuck energies. And yesterday we have learned about the technique known as Ho'oponopono technique, which is an ancient Hawaiian prayer through which we are training our subconscious mind to release those negative emotions that are stuck inside your body and mind and soul. So we are releasing those emotions. For example, let us understand that if we start asking this question, that how this electricity works, though we can't see that electricity, but we know when we switch on the plug, the electricity is coming, the light is coming. So it is the same way. We don't have to understand that how this healing modality is working. We just have to trust the divine that it is working for us, and you will see the change. For whatever intention you are setting and doing the healing, you will surely get the results. So on the day one and day two, we have just set it the intention and we did the healing for our health. And the people who have joined in on day one and day two, they already got so many results. So let us understand this thing that second day we discussed about this Ho'oponopono technique. That only I'm just trying to repeat it for you. The Ho'oponopono technique is a ancient Hawaiian prayer wherein there are 4 phrases which we call at I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. These 4 phrases, when we are using these 4 phrases, we are trying to release all the negativity from our body, mind, and soul. So when we are doing this healing, we are going to do this. Don't worry. We are just discussing about the modality, and we are going to do the healing also today of all the 3 modalities. So let us understand that how did this modality help us to release, and how did this modality just came up. So there was a doctor, Dr. Hugh Len. He was a doctor in a mental hospital. So when he joined the mental hospital, everyone over there just thought that there is another new doctor coming and he is going to use his own techniques, and we again have to go to the patients, give them medicine and everything. But Dr. Hugh Len, he did not even visit a single patient, and just sitting in the office, he used to read their files, and he just used to heal them sitting inside his office. And after 1 year, the whole hospital was closed down because every patient got healed. So if that doctor can heal a person or a patient sitting in the office, we can also do it for our own self and for others. It is an instant healing technique, and it is a distant healing technique also. We can sit here and we can give the healing to other people sitting in a different state, different locality, as in we are joining in a different from a different locality today also, but we have come together on this platform of Zoom, and we are able to see each other, we are able to talk with each other. So we need to understand that we all are connected at energy level, and when we talk about energies, we need to understand that all of us are made up of energy. And when we are working on this energy healings, we have to just trust the divine, and with connection with the divine energy, we are going to heal each other. So the third modality that we are going to discuss today is the gratitude practice. Now you are going to ask me that, yes, you're talking about so many modalities, ma'am, but we don't understand anything. So you don't have to worry for that, because we are going to experience all the 3 modalities today. Today, I have just repeated all the things because people who have just joined in today, they should not miss and they should understand that why we are doing all these things. So let us go on the third modality, that is called the gratitude practice or the gratitude prayer. So let me first explain you that why this gratitude practice is so much important. So let us understand this thing that maximum of the time we are just complaining and cribbing about the things we don't have in our life. And we forget that what are the things we already have. So this gratitude practice is a game-changing practice. It just shifts your energy from lack energy to the abundant energy. You are still, if you are in that energy that you don't have anything, the moment you start saying thank you for the things you already have, the more things will be given to you. This is a universal law that people who are more grateful, more things will be given to them. So if you see the people who are at higher level, maybe in their career, maybe money wise, they are so much humble and they are so much in gratitude and they keep on saying thank you, thank you, thank you. So understand this thing that gratitude practice is one of the game changing practice which can bring you a lot of things, which can increase the power of law of attraction, increase the power of manifestation. So this is a very game changing modality. So let's just start with the EFT practice, and then in between we are going to do the Ho'oponopono, and in last we are going to do the gratitude practice. So do stay till the last and don't miss this modalities. Thank you so much for joining in today, and you can type in the chat box if you are able to understand what I made you understand right now. If that is clear, you can type in the chat box, yes, it is clear. Thank you so much. So I would like you to think of a thought right now, that what is the thought coming to your mind when you're thinking about your health? Because we have discussed on the day one that our life is based on 4 pillars. The first pillar is the health. The second pillar is your relationships. The third pillar is your career. And the fourth pillar is money. So we have 4 pillars. And if one of the pillars is not working properly, we will not be able to enjoy our life. We will not be able to get those things which we want in our life. So in health today, because we have been doing this healing from last 3 days and it is on the health only we have been doing. So let's discuss about the health also, and let me just see in the chat box wherein you can type that what is that one thought which is not letting you achieve your goals in the health, or it is not, if there is a kind of a pain in your body, you can type it in the chat box. Of if there is any other problem in health that is going inside in your life right now, you can just type in the chat box. So please type in the chat box that what kind of a problem you are going through right now in your health. Because I just want this session to be interactive. I really want you to type in the chat box so I can help you to heal with the problem that you're going through right now in your life. So let's go and do this EFT practice. Yes. So Sejalji says knee issue and Pallavi also says health issues. So we are going to start healing. So in the meanwhile, when we will be coming on the second practice of Ho'oponopono, I would suggest Sejal ji to keep her hands on the knees when we are doing the second practice. Right now, we are going to do the first practice of EFT. You have to just follow my instructions and you have to keep seeing on the screen, because you don't remember the points right now. So I don't want you to close the eyes, but I will be playing some music and we will be starting with the healing of health issues. Do tell me if you can hear the music.
Tired of old school marketing tactics? Forget outdated email, cold calling,
Sorry.
and SMS marketing. It's time to evolve. Embrace WhatsApp.
Do tell me if you can hear that music and my voice as well. Is the music clear? You can type in the chat box. Yes, you can keep your mobile on you can just keep it in front of you, wherein you can look at me, because I will be telling you the few points and you have to just see across, right? You can keep it on a stand or something, so we can go on this. Yes. Let's start with the healing modalities. You can remember any god or energy which you believe in, so we can call upon them and we can start with the healing. So let's start with this practice and start tapping on the first point, that is the karate chop point. And just you can repeat what I am saying, or you can just say what you feel like in your body right now. Even though I feel that I have a lot of health issues, even though I feel that I have a problem in my knees, even though I feel that there is a lot of pain in my knee today, even though I feel that I'm not able to lose that weight, even though I feel that I have not eaten proper food in the last 1 month, even though I feel that there were a lot of health issues from my own side, but today I take 100% responsibility, because it was only me who has created it. It was only me who manifested it, and it was only me who was thinking negative about it. So today I really want to release these energies from my body, and I want to release this pain. I really want to release any kind of health issues from my body, because I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Keep tapping. Go on the second point now and keep tapping with me. And tell yourself that even though I did not take care of you, my niece, even though I did not take good care of my health, even though I did not eat proper food in the last 1 or 2 months, even though I was facing a lot of issues in losing that weight, even though I have started working out, even though I have been taking a lot of efforts, but today I take 100% responsibility of my health. I take 100% responsibility of that pain which I am going through in my body. And universe, please help me to heal that pain. Please help me to release those emotions and thoughts that are stuck inside my body regarding this pain and this health issues. Because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping. Come on the third point and keep tapping with me, and tell yourself that even though I have been seeing a lot of health issues in my family, maybe by that I have created a negative thought, even though I have just created a lot of negative things in my body, I have not taken care of it. I have not even given a proper attention to my body. But today I want to release all these negative energies, because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping. Come on the next point, that is the temples, the side of the eyes, and keep saying this thing with me, that even though I was facing a lot of challenges, in my health, but from today, I take 100% responsibility of my life, of my body, and of the issues which are going through in my body. And I invoke divine energies to help me and release this pain now. Because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and keep tapping on the next point, that is under your eyes, and keep saying, even though I did not take care of my health, even though I was facing a lot of health issues, still I was not taking a proper care of my body. I release these energies today. I release all the problems and all the things from my body today. And I feel lighter and lighter. I feel that divine energy is healing me. Because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Now come on the next point, which is under your nose. You can do it with one finger. Keep tapping and keep telling that yes, today I take 100% responsibility of my body. I take 100% responsibility of what I eat. I take 100% responsibility of what I think. I take 100% responsibility that my body is a temple. Now I will take care of it. And from today, I want to release all the negative feelings, negative energies, and tell yourself that I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and come to the point wherein under your mouth and keep tapping and telling that yes, from today I take 100% responsibility of my body. I take 100% responsibility of my knees. I take 100% responsibility of my pain. Because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Come on the collarbone point and keep tapping and keep saying and repeating that I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Release all those emotions that are connected to this pain and feel that healing energies are already healing you. Come on the next point under the arms, keep tapping and keep telling yourself that yes, I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. On the other hand, keep tapping and keep saying that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Come on the point wherein you are going to tap your thumb and keep telling that yes, I have only created and manifested this pain in my life. I have only created and manifested this issue in my health. But today I take 100% responsibility. Now I am healing. Now I am going on the next level. And keep tapping and keep saying that yes, I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Go on the next point and keep tapping and keep saying that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and keep saying that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. You are going to leave the ring finger, come on the last small finger and keep tapping that yes, I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am. Come on the last point of the karate chop of the other hand and keep tapping that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping. And now just feel that vibration in your whole body and keep your hands on your heart. You can keep your hands on your heart. And now we are going to start with the Ho'oponopono chanting. And we are going to tell to the universe that thank you so much, universe, for healing me today, for making me present in this class today. And tell yourself that from today I take 100% responsibility of all the pain I'm going through. It is only me who created this pain. It is only me who manifested this pain. But today, I really want to release this pain. You can tell your body that I am really sorry, my body. I am really sorry, my knees. I am really sorry that I could not take good care of you. Tell to your body that please forgive me, body. Tell to your body part where you need the healing. Tell it that I'm so sorry, please forgive me. It was only me who was not taking care. It was only me who was thinking that everything is taken for granted in my body. Everything is going on the autopilot mode. I don't need to take care of anything. But today I realized this thing, that how important this body part is for me. Say thank you to the pain because it made you realize that how important that body part is for you. Feel the release of the pain in that body part and saying with me that I love you. I love you, my body. I love that body part. Keep repeating with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Keep repeating with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel that relaxation in your body and feel those energies that are vibrating in your body right now. And feel that gratitude, and you can say, thank you, thank you, thank you. When you feel comfortable, you can rub your hands and you can put it on your eyes. And with the count of 3, you can come back. 1, 2, and 3. Do share with me in the chat box that how are you feeling. If possible, you can switch on or unmute yourself and also tell us that how are you feeling. Yes, we would like to share.
Very nice, very relaxing, very calm.
Do you feel the relaxation in your knee?
Yes, very much,
Yes.
very much.
Thank you so much for sharing.